Hello guys, welcome to this WordPress tutorial. My name is Guy Dillon and today we're going to learn how to add custom fonts to your WordPress website. So let's just go ahead and take a practical look at it. All right guys, so I'm here inside my WordPress dashboard. So basically sometimes, you have a requirement where you need to add some custom fonts for either for yourself or if you're working for a client's website, they are very specific on the fonts that they are choosing. Probably they have downloaded the fonts or they've bought the fonts and they want you to use them. Now in our when we use the themes that I have been providing in the courses also, so the themes that we are using over there is already having Google fonts, right? And even if you're using Elementor, you already have access to all the Google fonts. So, but sometimes we need fonts which are outside the scope of Google fonts as well. We are probably downloading it from Font Squirrel from third-party softwares, right? Now, in that third-party services, and if that's the case for you, and you want to use those fonts in WordPress, then I'll be telling you the way. So first, I'm just going to search for some simple font. So this is the font that I'm going to search for. So I'm going to go ahead and find a right place. So fontsforfree.net is another place where you can download the fonts. I'm just going to click on the download option. Now it's going to download the fonts. All right. Now, once the fonts are downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract it. And once I'm going to just because they're downloaded in a zip file. All right. So once I download it, I'm going to extract it. Now there, after extracting, there will be there will be some files like a .ttf file. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is this step is the most important part because uh, if you're directly going to upload it without trying this step, without converting into web fonts, then you might face an error, or you might see that the fonts are not getting uploaded. So to avoid that, make sure I'll put the link in the description. You just visit this link. So make sure I'll just put it in the description itself. You come over here. Now, once you've extracted in your computer folder, you come to the upload fonts, and I've already extracted. So this is the font that was there, and it has two files. These are the true type font file. I'm going to select depending upon like I can select one or two files. Like I'll select the files. First, I'll add one. I could have added both of them together as well. So this is the second one. I uploaded the files. Now, once I uploaded the files, I'm going to click yes and download your kit. Now, what it will do is it will convert it to a the web format, and that will be we will be able to upload in the WordPress. Now it's downloaded. Now I can I'll have to this will also be a zip file, so I'll have to go ahead and extract this, and after that I will be able to upload it. So let's just go ahead and try to upload it. But before uploading, we need to do another step, and that is we need to install a custom fonts plugin. So we're just going to come to the add plugins part. Go to the plugins, click on add new, and over here search for custom font. Right? Let's just search and see what the types of plugins we have. So this font works good. It's custom fonts, host your fonts locally. All right. It's by Brainstorm. It's updated regularly and it has a lot of downloads. So basically just download this plugin and activate this plugin. That's what you need to do. All right. Now, once that is done, in your appearance, you will see in your appearance, you will have this custom fonts option. So just go there and click on custom fonts. Now it's going to ask me to add new font. Now the font that I had downloaded, I first converted it. It downloaded as a zip file. I extracted it. Then I had two files in between, which were TTF files or the true font type files, right? So that I uploaded in the web font generator for the which I will be providing the link in the description. Then I uploaded it and then I converted it. Now a WebKit was downloaded. That was also a zip file. Now that zip file I extracted. After that, I came here, I installed this, installed and activated this plugin. Now I'm in appearance, and in the appearance, I have this custom fonts. Now I'm going to add the new font. Over here, I can name the font. I can choose the file, and I will have to upload it from the computer. So I'm just going to come over here, and this is the original file. Okay, this is not the one which has been converted to a. This is not be converted to a web format. If I try to upload this, you will see there will be an error. See, sorry, you're not allowed to upload this file type. Okay, so if you're directly trying to upload it, you might face this error. So what you need to do is you need to come over here, and I'll go back to the specific font kits which I have downloaded. You will see multiple files over here, right? So since you converted into a WebKit, a lot of files were downloaded. Now it's up to you. You can use either the t.woff or the two part. You can use any of them. So I'm just going to upload, both of these files, right? This is t.woff and this is woff2. You can upload either of them. I'll just going to upload this one. So since there were two files, I'll upload two files. And now I can just select whichever I want. I can click on use font. Now you see the font has been uploaded. Now the font style and font weight, you don't need to set it. All right. So it's up to you. I'll just keep it as regular. Now the when you download the font, it tells you the description of what is the font and is it right, regular and everything. So you should know that, and that same description you can put over here, that it is normal or italic or it's medium or it's bold. That is something that you can put. All right. Now I'll just click on, I can add a font variation also. So if I want to add in the second file, I'll come over here, I'll select the other file that I did not add, right? So if there's some variation, so this is, I know, is italic, right? So this is an italic and regular, right? I'll just keep it as regular. So you just check while downloading, what is it, what is the weight of the font? Is it regular, light, thin, whatever it is just same, match the same information over here. After this, click on Save Fonts. Now the font, after this action is completed, the font will be saved. And this list, you can add multiple fonts over here. You have an option to edit it or remove it. All right. Uh, Over here, let me just go ahead and edit it once and see. Okay. Yeah, let's check for the advanced options. So you can also add in a font fallback. That means if this font does not get loaded in the browser, sometimes it also depends upon the browser. So if your visitor does not have this font installed on their browser, and they won't be able to see this. So what should be the fallback font? So we can just keep it as sans serif. That's the normal font, Arial or sans serif or any other font, right? So it's up to you. You can put that or not. Now, for me, I don't want to make any further changes. So this is done. Now, if I want to see it, has it worked, or where can I use it? I'll just come back to the front end, and in the front end, let's just refresh it. All right. Now I will have to assign it. Where do I want to use it? So I'll just use the customizer. So there are two ways. Either you have created a page through Elementor, or you're using the themes customizer to change the fonts, right? So if you're in the theme customizer, let me just show you in the header builder. Let's just try to change the primary menu's font. I'm coming to primary menu, header builder, primary menu. Now this is the Astra theme I'm working on. Not maybe your theme might not have this option, but depending upon which theme you are using, you might have a little different option. This is specifically the Astra theme that I work on. And in this, I have this option of the header builder where I'm selecting the primary menu. So don't get confused. All I'm saying is if you're working through the customizer, then the option will be available here. All right. In the Astra theme, as per your theme, it might be a little different. Now in the over here, I will have an option of menu fonts. So I'll come over here. Now let's just search for that font. So you see the font is there. Let me just try this. You see the font is visible over here. Same thing, let me just also try it with Elementor. So let's just edit this with Elementor. I hope so get refreshed. Yeah, I did. So let's just come over here and let it load. Yeah, now it has loaded. Let's select this text, go to the style tab, and okay, let's just select this. Go to the style tab, go to the font, search for the family, and like this is also available like this, right? So this way you can upload the fonts that will work with Elementor as well as your theme. Now the theme, if you have access to be able to change the fonts, then this option will be shown in the customizer. It depends totally on the theme, right? So if you don't see it, that means your theme is different. For me, which theme I am using that allows me, it's the Astra theme. So you can also install that if you want to be able to customize it there. Probably your theme is showing or not, it's totally up to the theme. In Elementor, you will definitely see this option. All right. So this is how you go ahead and add and upload your custom fonts. I hope so this was helpful and you were able to understand this. And that's all for this video. So thank you for watching this video.